Hey guys, welcome to 2058 Oak Bliss Crescent in beautiful West Oak Trails. Come on in and let's go for a tour. You're probably going to see him in the mirror there, but we got Jonathan on the camera. So follow me in and we'll take you in through the dining room and the kitchen area first. It's a beautiful 4-bedroom home. The entire home's just been repainted. Really rich, nice color on the walls, and it lends itself well to any kind of artwork or neutral decor that somebody wanted to come in with. So again, generous dining area, beautiful big windows here. You could easily fit an 8-seater, even larger than that here if you needed to. Jonathan's going to pan around and I'm going to show you the kitchen space. Lots of cupboard space in this kitchen, which is great. A lot of the buyers at this price point, they're going to be coming from a townhouse or a semi looking for that detached home, and you're going to get a little bit more size and space in this one obviously than the homes that you're accustomed to. For buyers coming from a Toronto condo, again, you're going to be spoiled for space here. So you can see lots of nice cabinet space here. They wrap right around. And then when Jonathan pans up and comes around here, you're going to see that you've got a big built-in pantry space too. So again, very generously proportioned, no shortage of space here. These guys have been here for several years and I still don't think that they've filled all this space. So again, you're never going to have a shortage of space in a kitchen like this. Again, all of the faces of the cabinets were all freshly painted as well when they did the house. You've also got access to your back deck here. So we'll cover this in greater depth at the end of the video. We're going to do a walk through the backyard space, but the decking was done in 2018. You can see they've got a beautiful covered space here with some nice little lighting that they've put in. Fantastic, especially right now. Obviously, we're entering that second full lockdown phase. And the last lockdown made everyone appreciate the fact that you need a backyard space. You need that private space in the summer months. So I know anybody who's going to be moving here in the spring is going to be able to enjoy this all summer long. I'll get you to follow me around here. We're going to look at the living room space here. So again, common theme for this house, big windows, a lot of bright natural light coming in. Fresh, clean colors, a really nice neutral palette. Plenty of room for all your furniture here. You see they have that large oversized sectional there. Nice big area rug, plenty of space for all that. And again, you've got a walkout here to your backyard deck that we'll cover later, complete with the hot tub, and they've got the nice little privacy fencing there as well. It's great that you have the 2 walkouts. Gives you a nice flow, plenty of natural light. It's great if you're entertaining and guests are coming in and out when that becomes the norm. Well, maybe not this year, maybe that's going to be something in 2022, but at least you can look forward to that space when the time is there. So Jonathan comes by here. We're going to take you in to show you that 2-piece bathroom here that you have on the main floor. Again, that was updated after the homeowners moved in as well. So you can see great little 2-piece powder room bathroom here. Then we'll take you upstairs. Show you the 4 spacious bedrooms, and they've just finished refinishing the second bathroom up here, so both bathrooms have been completely renovated. So you can see here that they've got a beautiful rich stain on the banister, and all the spindles, they were painted out as well, so it's a nice modern color palette, very bright and fresh and clean. We'll bring you into the room that you've been waiting for, obviously the all-important master suite. So here you can see plenty of space. They've got a full king size in here, which is not normal for this square footage to have a bedroom that can accommodate a bed of this size. Still have room for those end tables. They've got a full walk-in closet, that's just on your left there, and you're going to see that as Jonathan takes you through to the master ensuite. Now the master ensuite was actually renovated in 2020, so just the beginning of last year. They put in a beautiful glass shower, as you can see. Very nice, clean, crisp lines. Again, great neutral color palette. These guys have great taste, and all the updates that they've done to the home will lend themselves well to any new homeowner moving in. Sometimes people go a little too unique, a little too distinct, but here it lends itself very well to a new buyer coming into the space. I think he actually might have done that without showing himself in the mirror. It's always the trick to try and get that to that shot without showing the camera in the mirror. So let's bring you around. We'll show you the first of the other 3 bedrooms here. So this one here, we've got it set up as a kid's bedroom. It shows you that you've got ample space here. So if you had maybe a bunk bed, twin bed, something like that, it would easily fit in that space. Nice, big, beautiful, bright open window there too. And again, just like the rest of the house, freshly painted upstairs as well. Paint is one of those details that not too many take on when they're getting ready to sell their house. These guys have been amazing. They've done everything they needed to do to update the home and get things ready for you and your showings. So here, again, we've got that 3rd bedroom. Great size. This is a queen size bed to give you a kind of spatial reference, and we're going to have the floor plans posted on our website with exact measurements for all of the rooms and their square footages. And again, beautiful big triple pane window there. And even on a day like today, it's gloomy out, you're still going to get nice natural light filtering through. And this is the shared bathroom. So this is for the other 3 bedrooms of the home. This has just been renovated. So you can see great tile floor has gone in here. They've retiled the shower as well with the same tile. Very bright and clean. And the vanity's been changed as well. And if this isn't a sign of the times, I don't know what is. So obviously everyone now, they're working from home, especially now with the second stay-at-home order here coming into effect. So these guys have a great home office set up here. It's perfect space for that. Again, lots of natural light. They've got a desk on either side. You could set this up as a bedroom easily. There is a closet here, obviously, as it is a bedroom. But because of the new reality that we're still living in after the beginning of 2020, they turned it into a home office space. So it's nice that you can picture this space for that. You also have the luxury here of 4 bedrooms, right? A lot of homes at this price point are 3 bedrooms only. So you wouldn't have this upstairs space for your work. And it's always nicer to be able to work up here than in a basement office space. So speaking of the basement, we're going to take you down to that space now and show you guys around. So this space, obviously it's totally finished down here. 2019, they redid all the carpeting that you see down here too. So it's nice and plush under your feet. And they've also got a cute little wine cellar there. Now, that's actually one of the #1 things that people have been looking for since COVID started, believe it or not. Maybe their coping mechanism, I'm not too sure, but it's just a neat idea of turning that cold storage into something that's a little bit more artsy and decorative. You follow me around here. So this space here technically could be a bedroom because you do have a full closet, but they elected just to have it as a den for their space here. I know one of the sellers, they've got their drum kit set up here, just as a little rec room, but again, you could have it set up as a full bedroom. great space. You're gonna follow me through, and we've got your laundry room area here. So the laundry room, again, that was updated back in 2019. So great space. Sometimes you come down to laundry in these basements and it feels like a bit of a dungeon. It's an afterthought. These guys, they took the time and the trouble to make sure it was nicely done. They decorated it, painted it, so it doesn't feel like you're coming down to that kind of dark, dingy space to do your laundry. And again, bathroom is something that I'll make some room here for Jonathan so he can go in. That was renovated in 2019. So similar, nice neutral color palette to everything else you're gonna see in the basement space. Good sized vanity with lots of storage. And you've got the shower down here too. So again, once things are a little bit more normal and you're allowed to have company who can stay, you've got the bedroom down here and you've got a bathroom. Maybe if somebody had an older son or daughter who was gonna be living in the basement space, they've got a bedroom and a bathroom down here so they have their own space. And here we have their basement living room space. Family room, den. It's great. You've got a beautiful oversized sectional here, so you know you can fit some big oversized comfy furniture. Nice and warm because they've got the gas fireplace, which especially in the winter months, it's just a nice bonus to have something like that down here. It's not the norm. And they've done the trouble of putting all the wiring there for the TV. So fantastic little home theater nook. And you could even set something like a projector up on this wall if you wanted to. So great space down here, lots of neat ideas with what you could do with it. Most people will probably have it set up like they have it. They also usually have some gym equipment here that we made them take out for the staging, but you could do a home gym setup here for sure, because again, that's another reality of the world right now. In 2021, people are going to be working out from home as well as working from home. So now that you've seen the living space on the inside, we're going to take you to see the backyard space. Welcome to the backyard space, guys. So this is what we were talking about a little bit earlier inside. So you can see I'm going to have the lot dimensions in the bottom corner of the screen for you, and some information on the taxes will pop up as well. But again, really spacious backyard. This is not the kind of yard you'd get obviously in a semi or a townhouse. You're only going to get something like this in a detached home. So really good width here, and they've redone and landscaped the backyard. So beautiful beds all along the back there, and in the summer months they all sprout out. There's got some grasses and things there. It's always nice when people will take the time to maintain a garden, because all too often you move in and it's been left and you've got to take on that project, right? The decking, as I mentioned earlier too, that was all replaced in 2018. So again, this is always nice that somebody's made the investment. It's been well maintained for the duration of the time that they've been here. The hot tub as well, that's obviously included in the sale. And they put up some nice privacy lattice just to give you some more privacy from the neighbors. But you'll see when you're here for your showing, the way that the homes are positioned and situated here, you do get exceptional privacy in the backyard space. And as you pan around, I'm sure you also already saw it there, and I covered it a little bit earlier, but they have this great covered deck space. So they use some nice clear sheets here, just so that you could still get the sunlight coming through. And I know one of the homeowners, he actually spends a lot of time out here when he's working, even in the spring months. And you're shielded from the elements, but you still get the benefit of being outside and getting the fresh air. So guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour. It's a beautiful property here listed for $979. Any questions at all, you can reach us through our website, williamsfamilyrealestate.com. And we're going to have full photo gallery on there. We're going to have floor plans. We're also going to have some additional videos and photos going on our social media channels, all obviously at Williams Family Real Estate. And we hope you enjoyed this tour. And please feel free to leave your feedback and comments down below.